Well, if spouses are, if one spouse or both spouse, either one, are looking at divorce, how do they go about finding, the right attorney to handle the divorce, and what are you looking for in that area?
Sure. That's going to be something that you're going to need your input in on it. You know what your husband or what your wife is like, more so than I do or than you do. Mm-hmm. It's going to take some help from you to determine what type of attorney do you need. If your husband is the type that you can get more out of him with honey, mm-hmm. then you're going to want a negotiator. You're going to want somebody that's laid back and that isn't going to be real hardcore and go for the throat. Whereas if your husband is just a bad individual, and you know that he's a power freak and he's going to want to control everything, then you're going to need somebody that's a little more aggressive. The worst thing that you can do if you want to settle your divorce is to confuse those two. Mm-hmm. And it's if you need a mediator or someone that's going to go in and try and settle your case, you may not want to go in and hire a barracuda, because all you're going to do is prolong the divorce process. You also want to make sure that you've got somebody that you're comfortable with, somebody that you want to be in the trenches with, because more than likely this is going to be one of the worst experiences of your life. It's certainly going to be one of the most trying. It's a long process, and it's an expensive process. So you want to make sure that you hire somebody that you're comfortable with, somebody that you know will return your phone calls, and somebody that you're comfortable with. Mm-hmm. That your personality meshes with. I would say that's probably one of the most important things.
So in that, I guess you want to go in and meet the person initially on a consult, mm-hmm. and so that way you can get a good feeling for whether or not they're the right person.
The other thing you want to do in that consult is you want to make sure that you understand the process from beginning to end. You need a roadmap so you know where you start and where you end.
Okay.